Hello guys, good morning. This is Umakant, just walking in the middle of the forest. Nothing else but me and the trees of the forest are there, and we are just taking a ride in the deep forest where the roads are also very narrow. But still, at some times we need to take certain efforts to reach certain places where are peaceful. Most of the people are stuck in their daily lives, and when I am coming to these jungles, they ask me, "Hey Umakant, what do you get out of these places?" I tell them, the core of peace is enjoyed here by me. So enjoy a peaceful journeys. So most of the people's focus is on the material, but guys, remember one day this material will be lost. To tell you how this focus, people keep the focus on the material things, I'll just give you a small story of a devotee. There was a fine devotee called Tukaram. He was a great devotee of Lord Vithala. And he used to always recite his name, Vithala, Vithala. He used to sing songs in the forest wherever he used to go, in the villages and other places. At some time, he was singing songs and he reached a village. And there also, he established a band party uh, for devotional songs, and he arranged a congregation of devotees wherein people walked in. And there was certain tickets kept, and there was certain entry restricted to few people, and people fought to get to see Bhakta Tukaram because he was a great devotee of Lord Vithala, and everybody wanted to see him. And the fighting continued, and the people kept on fighting for getting the seats reserved and wanted to see the devotee, as well as they wanted to listen to the songs which he played all around, and they fought for the getting the seats and reservation. And the influential people got the seat in front of the rows, and non-influential people were sitting back. So the bhajana continued at 8:30 p.m. People had their dinner and they joined the bhajana program, the kirtans and devotional programs. And what happened is, over a period of time, people were singing songs, and he was singing song, the devotee was singing song, and most of the people conjoined together and they were singing song in a very high pitch. And over a period of time, what happened is it was almost 12 in the night, 1 in the night, and still devotee Tukaram was singing the songs of Lord Vithala. At 1 p.m., 1:30 p.m., 2 p.m., what happened is most of the people left the place. Okay, no, people feel sleepy and people leave the place and they wanted to go home. So 1:30 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., most of the devotees left the place, and alone Tukaram was singing the song for Lord Vithala. So what happened after some time? At morning 6 a.m., Vithala, Tukaram came into senses, and because he was lost in the kirtans of Lord, he was lost in the kirtans of God, and almost, he did not recognize the time sense, and he was completely into deep devotion for the Lord. So at 6 a.m. in the morning, he saw that everybody left, but there was only one person sitting and waiting, and he was just looking at Tukaram. So Tukaram was surprised to see him. Hey guy, you are a real devotee. Everybody left, but you are the one who stayed here. I really appreciate your devotion. I think you got the darshan of God. He told, Swami, I didn't have the darshan of Lord. So Tukaram asked, why? You were also with me all the night, but why didn't you have the darshan of Lord? He asked. The person who was sitting was a normal person, a material person. He was sitting. He was telling that the mat on which you are singing this song and bhajan, belongs to me. So I thought, whenever your bhajan and kirtan is over, I can take this mat and go home. So, guys, you can understand what is the state of material people. Their focus is completely on material things. Wherever they go to Tirumala, they go to any other places. What is happening is that the most of the times their focus is on gaining the material things. They even go to Lord and they ask for material gains. Nobody asks for devotion. Nobody asks for the love of the God. This is not seen much, but what is expected out of a spiritual place or when you visit to a temple is a pure love and devotion for the God, which has now become rare. But listening to this story, guys, you might have fixed your mind that you will not be such a kind of a devotee who will be always looking for a material pleasures, and you will put on ideas before God and thoughts before God and desires before God about fulfilling your material needs, yes, he's there to take care of all your needs. That is true. But at one point of time, there should be emergence of love from your heart. There should be some awakening. There should be some evolution in your heart for the pure love and pure devotion. So guys, this is a message I wanted to convey. So see you in my next video. Catch up. And I'm just walking around in this deep forest, connecting with nature once again. See you. Bye.